Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Akshita KN from SVCE Department of Basic Science, studying in first year OD section. Today I am going to explain you about what is computer and its characteristics and classifications. Okay, come on, let me give the introduction of computer. What is computer? And computer is an electrical device that is a device to accept data, perform the request mathematical and logical operators at the speed of output and the result. It is known as computer. Next is characteristics of computer. Computer can be perform millions of operators in per second, which means that data that may otherwise take many hours to process is output and information in the blink of an eye. And there are 8 kind of characteristics of computer. Let us know what are the accuracy, speed, number of IQ, large memory, economical, automation, veracity and diligency. First is accuracy. A computer is very fast, reliable and robust electronic device. It also gives an accurate answer and result to provide the correct data and set of instructions and input to it. If input data is wrong, then the output will also be an error. In computers terminology is known as the garbage in, garbage out. And the next is automation. The user just need to assign in to task to the computer, after which it automatically controls different device attached to it and executes the program instruction. And the next is diligency. Unlike human, computers never get tired of the respective task. It can be continuous work from the hours without creating error. Even if a large number of execute are needed, each and every execution requires the same duration and it's execute with the same accuracy. And the next is versatile. Versatility is the quality of being flexible. Today, computers are used in our daily life in different fields. Is called versatile. And the next is memory. The computer stores a large amount of data and program in the secondary storage space. The storage data and the program can be relevant and used whenever required. Secondary memory is the key for data storage. And the next is number of IQ. Although the trend today is the make of computers intelligence by the introduction of artificial intelligence AI in them, they still don't know that how they decide and decision making ability of their own. That is, their IQ level is 0. They need guidance to perform variable tasks. And the next is economical. Today, computers are considered as a short-term investments for achieving long-term gains. Using computers also reduce manpower, reduce requirement and the leadership of the elements and the different ways of performing various tasks. And the last topic is classifications of computer. There are 4 main classifications of computers: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer and microcomputer. Let us know about what is supercomputer. Supercomputer is the fastest, more powerful and more execute computer. Supercomputer was first developed in 1980s to perform a large amount of data to solve a complex scientific problem. Single supercomputer can support thousands of users at the same time. And the next classification of computer is mainframe computer. It is very large in the scale computer but smaller than supercomputer. These are very expensive. They are by marketing them a very lowest. For example, it can be support 500 to 5000 users at the same time. Next is mini computer. They are smaller and cheaper and smaller and slower than the mainframe computer. They are called a mini computer because they were smallest computer of their time. Also known as mid-range computer. It will be used in college, office and hospital, business, etc. And the last is microcomputer. They are commonly known as PC. They are very small and cheap. There are capability of computer commonly used the Windows operator and system. PCs are classified into the following characteristics: laptop, desktop, workstation, tab, and smartphone and network computer. These are the classifications of computer. I hope that everyone has understand my video and my explanation. If you guys are interested, if you guys are enjoyed my video, so please go and subscribe my video, my channel, and please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for everyone.